This is pull-up number 1. 1,
Alright, well.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
My next.
7, 8, 9,
Do I have to go this way?
10. Yes, if that's what a pull-up is.
Well,
I don't
some people
know.
do pull-ups together, right?
No, no one's immature, Joe. Okay, that's a chin.
Wait. You
Oh,
can wait. You can.
Oh, I thought we'd have to be like rushing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gosh, you're terrible.
Okay, good.
I'm pretty good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's go. There's 20. 21. 22. 23. 24, Joe. 25, Joe. 26, Joe. 27, Joe. 28, Joe.
You're drilling.
29. 30.
Okay.
Doing laundry.
Oh, sorry. Just get out of your way.
30.
Of course I'm doing laundry. Saturday night is laundry night, and I'm in a laundry room.
To kick that.
You're not gonna kick it. Maybe cross your legs and it would actually help. Oh my gosh, you can't do
I did.
5 pulls.
I just did 5.
You're like dying.
I feel
Watch
okay.
how a man does right now. I'm not a man. I'm a woman.
Okay, can you go?
1, 2.
Now it's 3. Okay, go. With that turn.
D. Ace muy fato.
Arms are still. You ever get where you overextend in basketball?
Did they hurt?
I'm just saying.
That's the. Cracking out right now.
Really, and I'm
Look at
a
the
shoulder joint.
Wow.
Wow, you like, oh, that was 10?
He is a man, Joe.
I don't even know where you're at.
Joe, he's a man. Now it's time for you to be a woman. His pull-up form is not even a pull-up.
How many was that?
5.
5. Okay.
Excuse me.
So I've done 30. So where are we at? 30,
Finish
10, 20,
No, how's the dumbbells?
30, 40.
Hey, Joe, look at this.
Nice job.
Okay, so I've done 30.
I can take your good one.
Get off. You have 2 more sets of this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go the other way. It's just,
It's cheating.
I don't. It's just right. I'm always used to doing it the other way.
Okay, go the other way. I don't care. I mean, you can cheat.
I don't know if I'm.
For the record, guys, Joe is cheating here. Bombing.
Who is this for, Dad? Oh, for Tom.
Don't gotta give it up, you know. Not good. You don't give it up. I love this effect, guys. Let's play some good tunes.
I think that was done. You guys.
It's like right here. This is pretty cool.
Oh, this is so much better, I think.
Slipping.
It's got a power. Joe, turn it on!
No, we don't need to. We're like almost done. Stop trying to kick me.
Oh! Oh! Joe cheated.
Okay.
Joe, you gotta turn on the Michael
Last set.
Jackson music.
Last set. Last set. Okay, help me count.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job.
One, two,
Again, not a real pull-up.
three.
Andy's using his legs. Cheating.
Sorry. Two.
I can finish off for you, Joe.
It's okay.
Yeah, sorry, okay.
Okay, you gotta do 6.
Jeez, am I better at pulls than you?
Yeah, looks like it. Or at least.
That's a man. Stand.
1,
Are you trying to kick me?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, guys.